Synjuk Waheh Shnong Jowai Rengkat ke Jentia Students Union kilaya kendu ya Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ubak lakman rumbui halor ke jengpen Islam ban Plie ban itu ya ke B.Ed College Jowai la ban pin kemau balabo mau longrem ya kini ke B.Ed College haus nam arajar khat ar bat lasnapat haus nam arajar khat nyo udokhot jong Synjuk Waheh Shnong ubak alan yang ti uloong bakum kinong Shnong kikmi lenti bakini ke B.Ed College kan trekam no ha kini kisnam banwan ubak yang ti ulapan paru bak jeng e no ya ke Government Girls Hostel labun bun snam kalapelong ya kani kecaka kaktem sniu kinong di drok bat kiwei bat ulai thu ru bakani ke cingtrei kalajan khlem namal bala su e no khlem bentrei na du snam araja khat nyo ha ka juk apo na kaliang presiden jong ke JSU bat trebo suchen ulapan pau bala rasdang ya kani ke B.Ed College on sa itu no da National Council for Teacher Education ha kisnam banwan.
Well, today we have met the Education Minister, Sir Lakman Rumboy, on related to the so-called pending issue of the B.Ed College in Jowai that has been built up in the year, constructed since the year 2012, and it has been finished in 2017. And till date, it's not yet recognized by NCT. The problem is because so far, Lakman Rumboy, Education Minister, has told us that back then it was not feasible to get the NCT recognition. But now the government has following up along with the Education Department, and hopefully the B.Ed College integrated course will be getting a recognition from NCT by next year. And hopefully by next year, B.Ed course in Giant Hills or in Jowai, I would say, affiliated to Kynjatshai, so it will be opened up soon.
Bynta sini kaliang Giant Students Union, juga Synjuk Shnong Jowai. Gila awan yang kedua yang ba Lakman Rumboy. Haga jinga dai barka B.Ed College ha Jowai. Ka B.Ed College Jowai ka along no jingkrang bai ba Giant Islam. Gila ini ka jing bo foundation ya ka B.Ed College ka ba house nam arjar khada. Tad ho mentar ngimpat yo. Kadai jing dua jong ki brio jong Giant Hibro way. Nodo kisnem wala alai kamli show batang spusnem kala di kala rimba tinagaliang education minister wala Kynjatshai wala ile stam manra ya ke education college B.Ed College nomor mula pauru kajing kadi nomor ba kimla show one le igni kistan ron college henry hawan le the integrated college ke kum gawai ka kyang nomba government college kum gawai na ka project pilot project jong ka NCT banra ya ka integrated college hapo Meghalaya kala ile stom nagalang sarkar te ka Dawa yimyo ha muslim muladab kadin kadon ka jinge kindet like rules and regulations jong sarkar wat usah la boy la ong ba ula kila ile benbai kenang ba hagni kenti ke bonwan how new stem academic year bonwan ukmi inti maginyo no ya ka B.Ed College Jowai kan sedang no
nagaleng jongi gi Synjuk Shnong Jowai relang bak JSU Jowai tengi la ido no minister in charge education nagaleng minister lale yi ko ba dakam age jingi dai bak B.Ed College ko ba dai Jowai na sa teng la bon bosna the community by next year like a B.Ed College in Jowai can selong come now.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.